Salguém. Salguém. This is a question we ask when someone comes to us, they look upset, or a child comes to us crying, and we want to know, what's wrong with you? We do not say, what's wrong with you? We say, what do you have? We contract qui ça ou, what do you? Qui ça ou becomes just ça. We can contract qui ça ou to ça by dropping qui and just saying sao, sao, sao. Like not pig, but sao. Salguém. Salguém. What's wrong with you? Or what's going on with you? We do abbreviate quizá very often to just sa. This is a very important thing to note. Remember, every time we go deeper, you want to have your notebook and pen. And there's a lot of writing space in the workbook. You can write in there too, but it depends on the kind of learner you are. You might be able to just follow your going deeper notes in a workbook, your own notebook. Okay, so now we are going deeper into vocabulary set. There's not a lot on this list because I am going to drill you with the days of the week and the months of the year on a separate video so that you can play it in your vehicle while you're doing the laundry, while you're cleaning the house, or when you're doing something where you don't have to use your brain very much. So you can memorize it. Like numbers, days of the week, months of the year must be drilled in. So you want to do this rote. Right now, we're going to go over some of the vocabulary. One of the things that you must have noticed was when we say this afternoon or today or this morning, we use the word the. We do not say this afternoon. We say the afternoon. We do not say today, we say the day. We do not say this morning, we say the morning. This is a very important thing to remember. Otherwise, you're going to go around saying après-midi ça, jeudi ça, matin ça. We don't do that. We use the forms of the to say this afternoon, today, and this morning. So, this afternoon is après-midi. If I want to tell you, come this afternoon, and remember to répéter the sentences after me. If I want to say come this afternoon, I would say vini après-midi. Vini après-midi. If I want to say come today, I would say vini jodia. Vini jodia. If I want to say come this morning, vini matin. Vini matin. Some things in Creole are self-explanatory. For example, in English, we would say day after tomorrow. In Creole, we simply say after tomorrow. If I want you to come day after tomorrow, I would say come after tomorrow. Vini après-demain. Vini après-demain. Now, I want you to note these three words. Aswe, nuit, and the other one is, I want you to write it alone for now, nuit. You can write that N-W-I or French Creole, N-U-I. Now remember that aswea is like the other words I taught you when we started out. Aswea means tonight. That is a the. Instead of saying tonight, we say the night, right? Après-midi, jodia, matin, I swear, we say the afternoon instead of this afternoon. The day instead of today. The morning instead of this morning. The night instead of tonight. Very important, but I'm not hitting on I swear. I'm hitting on I swear, nuit, and nuit. It is important to understand that I swear by itself just means the word evening. That's it. It just means evening. She's coming in the evening. Na aswe. In evening. Okay? But when we are saying good evening to someone, we only say bonsoir. That's it. When we are telling someone hello and we are wishing them a good evening, we say bonsoir. When we are leaving someone at night, this is the exiting greeting at night, we say bonne nuit, not bonne nuit. No T there, just bonne nuit. We're saying bonne nuit because nuit is used as the expression good night. That's it. That's the only time you say nuit, when you are saying bonne nuit, when you are saying goodbye. So if you wanted to just say she came at night, li vini na aswe. She came in the evening. Li vini na aswe. That means she came in the evening. If you want to say she came at night, like real nighttime, like 8, 9, 10, because you know that's when it's very dark in Haiti, you can say li vini na nuit la. She came in the night. Very, very important. What about soir? When do we use soir? Only when we are saying last night. We don't say last night, we say yesterday night. You can also use soir in tomorrow night. So yesterday night, last night is hier soir. Tomorrow, you learned the word for tomorrow is demain. So tomorrow night is demain soir. So if I want to say last night I slept well, hier soir, moi t'ai dormi bien. Tomorrow night, I want to sleep well. Demain soir, moi v'lais dormir bien. So when we want to say last night, we say hier soir, not hier nuit. When we want to say tomorrow night, we say demain soir, not demain nuit. We only use nuit when we are speaking about night, just night. I swear is evening. Come in the evening. Vini na aswe. Come at night. Vini na nuit. Or come at the night. Come the night. Vini na nuit la. Okay, so just like we were saying, yesterday will be hier, last night is hier soir, tomorrow night is demain soir, day before yesterday is just before yesterday. Remember, day after tomorrow is just after tomorrow, après-demain. Day before yesterday is just before yesterday, avant hier. Day before yesterday, I saw them. Avant hier, mwen te wè yo. I know you're hearing the word te and going, something's changing here. That's right. Te lets us know it's past tense, but we're not going over that right now. Right now, I want you to get the concept of we don't say day before yesterday. You never want to pick up that dictionary to look up something the way it is said in English. You want to learn how it's said in Creole. Otherwise, you'll go in the back of your workbook and look up the word day, jour, before, avant, yesterday, yeah, jour avant hier. We don't say that. We say just before yesterday, avant hier. Your next vocab word, chaque. Chaque means each and every, but I want to teach you how to say one of each. You're going to the marché to buy some groceries and you want a mango and you want a kashima, which is a Haitian, delightful Haitian fruit. Kashima. And then you want, kashima is called sugar apple in English. You want a kosol, which is known in English as soursop. And you want kenep, which is canap. But you're wanting one of each. In Creole, we would say, give me one of each. Bum yun na chaque. Yun na chaque. One of each. Bum was give me. Moi is nasal. We use the nasal bum, and we learn to contract in leçon 6. Bum moi becomes bum. Bum yun na chaque. Bien fait. People always ask me, what is the difference between jour and journée? A question put to you. What is the difference between day and daytime? That's exactly the difference between jour and journée. If I want to tell you, come in the daytime, that means anytime in the daytime, not in the evening, not in the nighttime, but in the daytime. I'm stipulating that. I would say, vini na journée. Journée. The daytime. Come in the daytime. But if I want to tell you, come in this day, evening, afternoon, nighttime, just make sure it's this day. I would say, vini sous jusa. I am basically saying, come on this day. That's also proper English. Vini sous jusa. That means come on this day. So jour is day, journée is daytime, which brings me to the next word, la nuit. La nuit means nighttime. So if you want someone to come in the nighttime, you would say vini la nuit. You only say la nuit. The reason is la nuit is like saying the nighttime. You could say vini la nuit la. Come nighttime the. But sometimes we just say vini la nuit. I once taught you that in Creole, we use some words that we misheard in French. L'église meant the church. L'hôpital meant the hospital. Okay? L'école meant the school. La nuit meant the nighttime. And because of that, we now use these words differently. Because we know la nuit for us is nighttime, but for the French is the night, sometimes we treat it as if it already has the definite article the. So come the nighttime. Vini la nuit is fine. You can say that. Vini la nuit. Like I said, this was going to be short because I want to teach you the days of the week and the months of the year in a separate video so you can practice it rote. Okay? Ou pare? You ready? Ou pare?